Hi and welcome to the Arthur Holm stand here in 2014. We are quite excited. We started the new year out in a very good way, and we have quite a lot of new products that we would like to show you. We have, for instance, the DynamicVision, which is a whole new way of controlling your video conference cameras, to hide them and to mount them, take them out of the way, make them disappear within your environment. So that gives a big help to the installation company, but also to the designer and the architects. On top of that, we have our latest DynamicVision, which is a motorized system for microphones that both can be used as a PA system or for a PA system or as a conference system in the sense that it can be remotely controlled or it can be accessed direct onto the product. On top of that, we have a lot of other great products here at the Arthur Holm stand. We have our latest Full HD motorized monitors, and they come in a lot of different variation, and we offer the possibility of customizing exactly to your needs. When we will have a look around at the products, you'll see that they're all made out of steel, stainless steel, aluminium and glass. But of course it can also be covered with leather, they can be covered with wood, and they can be mounted from below so they don't obstruct the eye within any design of a meeting room or conference room. And again, we can adapt it to the whole building, so all the monitors through a bank, through a hotels look the same, with all the professional solutions that you are looking for to display advertising for room booking and so forward. So what we have here is the DynamicVision, which is the wall mount motorized to hide your video cameras and conferencing systems. First of all, you see the heads going up and then the camera coming out to give you a full angle and a full view. The camera can be turned 90 degrees to each side. And what is interesting about this product is you can cover it with any kind of material so that it fits the interior. This is done with a design for a standard room thickness, and it comes also in a completely flush mount version for both Polycom, Tandberg, Sony and other video conferencing cameras. And it can be remotely controlled with infrared ISE 232 and also with STT controls. So what we have here is the Arthur Holm DynamicTo, which is a motorized system for any standard gooseneck microphone. And what's special about it is that it has two different modes. It has the P8 mode or the conference mode, and you have the push to talk. When it's in PA mode, you'll see the light is also being activated to become red. You have an extra button for whatever you want to use it for. It's a dry contact. And on top of that, you can remotely control all of these buttons, and that way it's in conference mode. It fits microphone from 30 centimeters up to 60 centimeters. This is the Arthur Holm DynamicFree. It's available in different sizes, both with the Full HD resolution. And what it does, it flips up like this, and it has available with or without a keyboard and mouse. And what it does, it gives you more functionalities because we can actually make the monitor turn around, and you can use it as a flat monitor within the table, and you can have that with a touchscreen. And as you see, we have the possibility of customizing, adding microphones to it or conference systems, so that you get one unit with the full package. What is also interesting here is that these products can be mounted from below, and at the same time it can be covered with leather or veneer, so it fits within the table and it doesn't stick out like what we see here. So again, this is our very well-known DynamicTo in a customized version. It has a vertical movement with an inclination, and here on the side we have some connectors added to the product to give a user interface for the customer. But on top of that, we have actually integrated the microphone as well in a separate system that can separately be controlled. So you can choose only to use with the microphone, use both the screen and the microphone, or of course just go for the screen. And again here, as you can see, we have the DynamicTo integrated, can work with the PA function or the conference function into the product.